Okay, so this method is crazy, and I am so excited to bring you this way to make money. And again, as always, number one, make money channel on YouTube. Guys, comment below if you know it. This is the number one money channel on YouTube. We were working together. The more money you make, the more money I make. I'm gonna be showing you a site. 200 million people use this site to attend events every single year. It's probably more, this year. 200 million people are attending events, both online and live events. But I'm gonna show you how to make money hosting events. And here's the catch. You don't actually ever have to host an event. You're gonna let me hold the event for you so you can make money. And in fact, you can do this all online. Now, folks, this is completely unsaturated. Nobody's doing this. This is going to take over. So the faster you put this into action, the more money you'll make. As soon as you see this video, start going at this immediately. Let's get it. Okay, folks, so the site that we're going to be talking about here is called Eventbrite, okay? So check this out, Eventbrite. Let me zoom in on that for you in case you can't see it, eventbrite.com. According to online sources, I'll have my editors maybe throw something in, but 200 million people attended events through Eventbrite last year. I attend events every year through Eventbrite. So you also have if you're from another country, you probably haven't heard of it because it is very big in America and Europe. So you have a very rich, moneyed audience using Eventbrite. So you have access to a lot of people who have a lot of money. That's just what it is. And the people attending these events oftentimes, therefore, business or fun, people who have extra money to spend on events just have extra money to buy products from you. So you see a lot of people, there's a lot of events related to music and whatnot, but we're gonna be focused on business events. Now, what you'll wanna do is you'll wanna sign up for Eventbrite. Everything you're going to see here, by the way, is completely free. Everything you're going to see here requires no work on your part. You don't have to fulfill anything or support any customers. Everything you see here, you can do from any country in the world. Everything you see here, you can do no matter what age you are. Everything you see here will not require a website. Everything you see here will not require you to purchase any products or software or anything. All this is a method for you to arbitrage the traffic that is already happening on Eventbrite.com and use it to make you money. You can sell my product and we both make money. But you can use this method for a number of products. I'm going to give you a couple affiliate networks where you can get products to get from, but I'm going to be using my affiliate program as an example. So first you'll want to sign up for an Eventbrite and it's free. And then you will go here to where it says create an event, okay? Right there. Now, the magic of this method is very great and you're going to get a special bonus at the end of this training. I'm going to show you exactly where to get this file at the end of the training. So the file includes all of my free traffic methods, and this file is updated frequently. So all of my free traffic methods, you can go right here. I will have a link to my other free traffic methods somewhere in the cards or something here. But we'll want to click on Eventbrite right there to get these templates. And you see we have all of the information you need set up an event right here. So first it says type, and we're going to go after business and professional sales and marketing. So first we need the event title. So we're going to call it Online Training, How to Earn a Six-Figure Side Income Online. We'll copy that and we will paste it into here. Paste. Now we say type. We're going to select seminar or talk. And category, we're going to select business and professional right there. Now what you need to do is just follow along the steps. Okay, follow along the steps. And the subcategory we're going to do, you could select a couple different subcategories. Some might work better than others. Again, I haven't tested everything, but you might want to try things out. Throw up multiple events. Again, these are templates you can do, but my best students who make the most money modify and test things and use different links to test if one category works better than the other. So my best students are out there trying out new things. But we're going to select sales and marketing. That just makes the most sense to me. Keep in mind though, you can do this for really any niche. If you want to talk about, family and education, you could target here and you could say, online training, how to earn extra money as a mom. Target another thing, you could say musicians, how to earn extra money as a musician. You could go after another category. You could say how to earn extra money online as a teacher. So whatever it is, cater it to different professions. Okay, I'm showing a very generalized way, but if you cater your copy and say this is a free training on how you can earn extra money as a construction worker, as a nurse, etc., that'll be wicked effective. Keep in mind, if you see a lot of people you're already posting in your category, there's 200 million people out there, try another category. Okay, add some keywords to your events. So we're gonna look right here. And keyword ideas, I have some keyword ideas right there. So I'm just gonna add some keywords. Entrepreneur, then I'm gonna add my next keyword, which is marketing, and I'll add John Crestani. I'm not gonna add all the keywords. Now the organizer, we could say this event is hosted by John Crestani, a self-made internet multi-millionaire, or whatever fits. And we'll do venue. What we wanted to select for a venue, now this is very important, is online event, okay? So you select that right there, and because we're not actually holding a real event, right? So let's do that, and we're gonna do date and time. Select whatever date and time makes the most sense for what you're doing. We can just say, select whatever date makes sense, or set up multiple events and have them occur every hour. However you wanna do this, go for it. Then we'll just select save and continue. Any time works, really. Now we have to do a couple things. We have to do a summary, and we have to do a description, okay? And we have to do a image. Now for the image, I just did a Google search for make money at home, and I found this image, which I think looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna use this image. So you could try other things. You could try and test a little more aggressive image, sort of like this image right here, which is make money online, free training, okay? Which is a little more straightforward and to the point. And then for our summary, we're gonna actually get from here. So we have summary text example, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this into here. Again, my best students modify these scripts, okay? My best students go out and modify these scripts, and I suggest that you do as well. How you modify them? I don't know. Look at the market, write what you think works, or test it. Use my script and then use something else you find on the internet. Use whatever you think is the best at selling the product. Here we'll need a link, okay? So the training is hosted by John Crestani. Now the product we're gonna sell will make us up to $500 from one sale. So you'll make $500 from one sale. And the affiliate programs that I recommend you join, the links are in the description. So the links are, there's Super Affiliate Network, which is a great program to sign up for. You can make up to $5,400 per sale. And let me just write that out for you in case you didn't believe me. $5,400 from a single customer is what you can make from the Super Affiliate Network. So it's a high ticket program. They have low ticket entry points. You can make a lot of money with this. There are people earning millions of dollars a year with this program. Another great program is Six Figure Mentors. The link is also in the description. This is a great affiliate network. They also include a large training component showing you how to get started in affiliate marketing if you need more training. And ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is great because they pay you recurring revenue, and they give you $40 a month for each customer, and they will also literally buy your car for you. The program we will be using today, though, in my example, is actually my own training program, which is on ClickBank. So you'll want to sign up for ClickBank, create an account or log in right there if you haven't already, and then go to the affiliate marketplace right there. And we're going to sign up. We're going to go down to these categories. You see these categories right there, and we're going to click on e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so we're clicking on that, and my product will be one of the top products. So you'll see the second product here is Super Affiliate System right here, and you get paid a cool $500 when you make a sale of this program. So what you need to do is you need to get your affiliate tracking link. If you don't understand what affiliate links are or how tracking works, look it up on their help desk. I'm not going to go too deep into that right now. I want to just show you how to make money. Cool? Agreed? By the way, if you're getting excited about this, type in event money, okay? Type in event money down in the comments below. I wish I could help let you understand how unsaturated and how well this method will work. Nobody's doing this. So we're gonna click promote, then whatever your account nickname is, you're gonna enter it in there, and I would just write event 1, okay? And event B1, we're gonna click generate hop links, generate, copy, so we copy this here, and then we're gonna go over to bit.ly and we're gonna shorten the links, okay? And I'm gonna shorten my link, I'm gonna copy it. I just pasted both links into a notepad so that I have a quick reference for them. So you see, here's my ClickBank link, and here's my prettier short link, okay? If we type in the link in our browser, we go to a free training sign-up page. That's where you'll get people to go to. And what this training is essentially, it is a presentation about helping people understand my 6-week course and how it helps them get started in affiliate marketing, and helping people hear about this. And if they want to join, they can pay $1,000, and you get 500, I get 500, and the customer gets a training course on how to be an affiliate marketer step by step with homework and accountability and software. I'm not here to sell you my training course. I'm here to get you to put links out and make us money. Okay, so I'm not gonna go into that. It's great, but I'm not gonna go into selling it. So we have our link and we go back to Eventbrite. By the way, let me know in the comments below if am I going too fast through these videos? Am I going too slow? Is this, am I going, do I need to explain more stuff? I'm trying to pack a lot of stuff into about 15 minutes. So I really want to make sure, let me know in the comments, too fast, too slow, because I could skip over whole sections here. I could just grab the links and not highlight anything. Or I could just really spend a lot of time, I could not show stuff and I could just explain concepts more. Let me know if it's too fast or too slow in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I need your feedback. This is a conversation. Again, we're working together. We're working together. We're trying to make money together. I want to help you and I need your feedback. So looking forward to seeing what you say. Okay, so I'm copying my link and I'm bringing it right here. Okay, there we go. We click save and continue. Let's move onwards. So create your first ticket. So the way we're going to do this is we're just going to select free. So we select free. It's a free ticket. Quantity, let's just do 1,000. Advanced settings, this will save you a seat on the webinar. So there we go, and we will click publish. Okay, boom! Okay, so we got it up, and we have our event link. And what's great about this is you can actually promote this link through Facebook really easily. So this is a great way. Eventbrite links will work on Facebook. Just go crazy, and you can check out my video on how to make money on Facebook, how to make $100 a day on Facebook. I'll have my editor's link to it somewhere. This is a great way to make money on Facebook, sharing these events, because Facebook doesn't like a lot of links. They've been banning a lot of affiliate links, but Eventbrite links, they won't do anything about. So share the heck out of this in Facebook groups and messages and what have you. I won't go too deep into that, but it's great. So there's so many ways you can do marketing here. That's it, okay? One more thing here before we end is we want to have an order right here under tickets, order confirmation. See, order options, order confirmations. We want to enter in some text here, and we want to enter in so that if people get a ticket, they know where to go with our link. So we got that, and we just replace link with link, and then we just save settings right there. Voila, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Go out and take action. If you are committed to taking action, people, go out and get this money. This works. I'm so well, because the reason is people are signing up for an online event. You're sending them to an online event. They're looking for a business thing. They're going to a business thing. You're targeting people who have a lot of money because they're using Eventbrite. You're offering them a product to help them make more money, right? They can afford it and they have credit cards. There's so many layers that this works on. Nobody's doing this. This is completely unsaturated. You have 200 million people. You are being given an opportunity to take back control of your life. Are you going to take it?